Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to be unboxing this SanDisk Extreme portable SSD, the 2 TB version. And this is not a sponsored video. If it was a sponsored video, I would mention it before the start of the video. I bought the product myself for personal use, and all the opinion that I'm going to be sharing is only from me. So yeah, is a solid state drive and not a hard drive, so it will have much faster speeds. So let's go ahead and do a quick box overview. And on the front there's nothing, it's a simple presentation of the device. And I would also like to mention how small the box looks. So it's a really portable device, so compared to my hand, that's how small it is. And it says it's 2 TB and the reading and writing speeds. And it also says water resistant. I will come back to it in a moment. It is written in the back. And this side there's nothing, a side view of the device. And on this side we have what all are included and the compatibility of the device. So it says that it is compatible with the USB type C or the USB type A ports, and it also mentions about the reading and writing speeds on each one of them. And it is compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 7 and Mac OS. It is also compatible with USB type C smartphones. The box contains a user manual, a hard disk, and I guess that is a dongle. On the back we have a brief description of what it can do. Store, edit large photos and videos with blazing speeds. It says it is a rugged device, so it is IP55 rating of water and dust resistance. And here we have, it also says that it is shock and vibration resistant. So the solid state core stands up to 2 meter drop, 6.56 feet, and it is small and compact design. So enough of the talking, and let's unbox the device. So I bought this product on Amazon, and I bought it for my editing because I make YouTube videos, right? So I thought it would be useful. So I seal this out. Okay guys, so this is how small it is. It is very small. I'll just show you how small in a quick second. This is a user manual and warranty card. So it's technical support, warranty card, and a safety guide. And there's also a dongle that's included, Type C to Type A. So you can connect it to laptops, and yeah. It has only one port, which is a Type C, so you can directly connect it to your Android phones and Macs and latest computers too. What else you have? You have nothing else, but I will show you how small the device is. Got in a few objects to compare it with. So this is a regular size AA battery, and it is not it's pretty much the same size. The SSD is even smaller than the battery. And this is a camera flicker. So as you can see, it's pretty much the same width as the camera flicker. And this is a regular size battery on toys or drones. As you can see, it's very thin. And I will try to upload a review video on this product later on with my usage. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.